Good evening. Today is Tuesday, December 12, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under LAC 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.